I have to say the market has changed. 3 or 4 years ago, Italian wines were very big for us in the mindset. From day one in the life of the fund, we were investing quite a bit in Italian wines, and we have continued to do so. But now we have seen the shift. A few years ago, everybody was fighting for its share of allocation of the super Toscans, such as Suaiala, Ornellaia, Suaiala, and much smaller production, but very rare, the Italian Maceto, which would be the Petrus of Italy. You still see a very strong demand for a Maceto, no question. You still see a very strong demand for a smaller wine called Ponti Magnelo, where you get them from the property around 45 euros, and you know there's a good chance they will be yielding 20-25% a year over the next 4 or 5 years after their release date. So we continue to invest there. We see a very different approach now to the Suaiala and Ornellaia. As their pricing has gone up dramatically, the wineries kept increasing their prices. They became very greedy. I think they became Bordeaux-minded in a way, like in the bad years of Bordeaux when they were too greedy. And what we see today is the demand is waning. So it's not waning actually with collectors and private individuals who are thinking, oh, let's buy that. But actually, as the price keeps going up, the sommeliers and top hotels around the world are looking for alternatives. They're looking at what else in the Italian wines are going to be the alternatives, because the consumer spending portfolio is not going to the sky. You cannot increase the price of a wine by 30%, which is more or less what took place with Suaiala in the last 3 years, and expect that it has no incidence on the real consumption in the restaurant or the hotels. So we have taken some, but we are much more cautious. So Italian wines today are still an important part of the portfolio. We're very happy. We have great vintage in stock, like the 2009, 2010, which were 2 superb years for Italy. But everything since, we are taking a very, very cautious approach, which is either it's great value, or we know that Magnelo, it has a kind of very predictable pricing moving forward, or we stay away, because the greediness of the pricing ask, let's put it that way, to be nicer, is actually not going to be supportive of a good return for the investors.